Welcome to the quick tutorial of PVAPins.com. PVAPins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go PVAPins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account, if not just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. Having trouble to open a Uber account from Brazil? No worries, PVAPins gives you the online Brazilian number. First we have to visit uber.com. Entering here, the Uber interface will appear here. Simply click on sign up, then click on drive and deliver option. A phone number is required to create a Uber account. Now return to PVAPins and search here any country. Select the country. Type Uber in the search box. We will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. A phone number of selected country will be shown here. Copy this number and paste it here and click the continue button. If it needed verification, don't worry, the verification code will be shown here. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. You are almost done. Let's enjoy your journey with PVAPins. Stay tuned for more updates.